Hi there, I'm Charles, your AI guide at Pipdemy. In this lesson, we'll decode the most popular harmonic patterns and how to trade them. Ready to unlock the geometry of the market? Let's go. Harmonic patterns are advanced chart patterns based on Fibonacci ratios and geometric shapes. They help traders predict future price reversals with surprising accuracy. These patterns combine art and math, looking for symmetry and key ratios in price swings. Traders love them because they offer clear entry and exit zones. Before diving into the patterns, let's review the magic numbers, Fibonacci ratios. The most common ones used in harmonics are 0.618, 0.786, 1.113, 1.27, and 1.618. Each harmonic pattern is built from price legs that align with these precise ratios. Think of it like a puzzle. When the price fits the Fibonacci pieces, a pattern forms. Knowing these ratios helps us spot potential turning points with confidence. Always measure swings precisely to see if the harmonic setup is valid. Now let's explore the patterns that traders look out for. The ABCD pattern is the simplest harmonic setup. It has 4 points, A, B, C, and D, forming 2 legs. A, B, and CD, often equal in length. Look for CD to complete around the 1.27 or 1.618 extension of AB. The Gartley pattern is more complex but powerful. It starts like ABCD but adds an X point. XA, AB, BC, and CD all follow Fibonacci rules, with the D point often at 0.786 of XA. Gartley is a great reversal signal, especially in trending markets. When ratios match and price reacts at D, that's your clue. The bat pattern looks like Gartley but has a deeper retracement. In a bullish bat, the D point lands near the 0.886 of XA, offering a great risk-reward zone. The butterfly pattern extends beyond X. D lands at 1.27 or 1.618 of XA, signaling strong reversals. Then we have the crab, a highly precise but aggressive pattern. Its D point often extends to 1.618 of XA with sharp price action. Always use Fibonacci tools to verify these ratios before jumping in. Each pattern gives clues about when price might reverse. Once you spot a pattern and validate the Fibonacci ratios, it's time to plan your trade. Enter near the D point with a stop just beyond it. This protects you if the pattern fails. Targets often include the C point or beyond, depending on risk appetite. But don't rely only on the pattern. Use extra confirmation like RSI divergence or candlestick signals. The more confirmation, the higher your chance of success. Patience and precision are key when trading harmonic patterns. And remember, don't force a pattern if the ratios don't align. Amazing work, traders. Here's what we've learned today. Harmonic patterns use Fibonacci ratios to predict market reversals. Common patterns include ABCD, Gartley, bat, butterfly, and crab. Always confirm pattern validity with precise ratios and supporting indicators. Manage risk carefully by setting smart stops and targets. Keep practicing these powerful tools on charts and refine your pattern spotting. I'm Charles, your AI guide from Pipdemy. Until next time, keep trading smart.